first place the image. Okay, then select ellipse or any tool, any shape tool, then select like this. Okay, now first select shape, then press and hold shift and select background image. First select this,
Okay.
then press and hold shift and select background. Simple. Okay, then click object and then clipping mask and make.
So you select background image where? Where do you select background image?
This one,
Yeah.
then press and hold shift
This one?
and select this image.
Okay.
Then object, clipping mask and make. Now if you want to change the position, you can click again and edit contents, so you can change it, or you can also make like this. So
If you want to adjust the size, maybe if you want to change the size
of shape,
yeah,
so you can.
no, I mean if you want to change the size, maybe the width, no, the radius and
You want to reduce,
yeah.
also you can reduce also. See,
For example, okay, you reduce the size, you also reduce
it
the
will also reduce. Yeah.
okay.
Okay.